Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to send feedback to Microsoft on your Windows 11 computer. So if you want to access the feedback hub and leave different comments, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in feedback, best match, come back with feedback hub. Go ahead and open that up. So in the search field, just type in whatever issue you're having a problem with. So you can just type in Microsoft Edge, for example, and just go ahead and search for it. I'm going to select Not Now. And then if you're having the issue again, you can just explain in more detail. And then if you want to select Next, you can go through the category of what your issue is specifically. And if there's any similar feedback, you can get to that as well. So if I actually select Next here, you'll notice if there's similar comments that are listed in here by other people, you can go ahead and select it and then select Next. And you'll notice if there's a lot of people having the same issue here, you can go ahead and actually, I guess, bump it up a little bit in the list. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. And if you want to attach an image, a screenshot, or if you want to recreate the prompt, so if you want to do like a screen recording, it'll let you do that. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. And then once you're done, you would agree to send it to Microsoft and then select the submit button. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.